Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the last video I have shown you how to calculate the band gap using HSE, which is one type of the hybrid functional. However, actually you have more choices of hybrid functionals, and for example gaupbe is another hybrid functional, and in this video I will show you how to calculate everything again using gaupbe. So let's get started. This is the input file, and for gaupbe, the nice thing is that there is no problem of the divergence of q equals 0. So you have to set the x gamma extrapolation and the divergence treatment to be false and none. So basically there is no treatment with respect to the divergence problem because there is none. Okay, so everything else is similar. We just do the calculation, and this is also a slow calculation because of the intrinsic nature of the hybrid functional. So just wait a little bit. Okay, now it's finished. Let's take a look in the output file. This is more or less the same as before, and to the bottom, and see the highest occupied and lowest unoccupied level, and the difference is the band gap. Yeah. Okay. So in principle, we should also the same as last time. We need to increase the k point density and also the q point density to check for the convergence of the band gap. Yeah. And I will not do the calculation here because this is very time consuming. I just pasted the input file and output file result here, and yeah, and then basically it's the same thing as the input file that I show you before. But for example, I change it to 8 by 8 by 8 and something else. Yeah, and then I summarize everything here. Yeah, basically here. And so for the k points equals to 6 by 6 by 6 or 8 by 8 by 8, and the q points to be 1 by 1 by 1, 2 by 2 by 2, 3 by 3 by 3, 6 by 6 by 6. The band gap decreases, but it more or less equilibrates to this 1.4 and 1.3. Yeah, so we will just copy the 1.3 here to the band gap here. And you see that this gaupbe is also quite good estimation of the real band gap. Yeah. So so basically now you see that this hybrid functional is actually gives much better estimation of the than the standard PBE calculation. But you also know that this hybrid functional calculation is very expensive, and you can only calculate everything using self-consistency calculation. Yeah, you cannot do the interpolation in a normal way. So I hope that after this project you have a better idea. If you want to have a better estimation of the band gap, yeah, you can try this hybrid functional calculation. So if you like my video, if you learn something in my video, please press like or subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you next time.